last section we are discussing identity operators. So here's an example of identity operators that I write here: x1 5, y1 5. When you check x1 is not y1, that both values are equal, but you are writing not, that means it will return false. Okay, x2 is y2, yes, both are equal, that means it will give true. x3 is y3, no. Why? The reason behind this is, see, I mentioned here x3 and y3 are list. They are equal but not identical. It is because the interpreter locates them separately in memory, although they are equal. So it will result in false value. Okay. So next is your membership operators. What are membership operators? In and not in. What are the membership operators? They are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence like string, list, tuple, set and dictionaries. Let's have an example like in 5 in x. It will check whether 5 is present in x or not. Not in, that means that particular value must not be present in that variable. So here's an example. So it will give you error. Why? Indentation is not properly. So for indentation, remove the spaces. So run it. What's error? See, I have copy pasted. That's why it is giving error. Otherwise, it's okay. So answer is true, 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 false. How? See, when you see print h in x, yes, h present in x. Hello not in x. Hello not in x. Hello not in x. That means that hello is not present in x. H as hello is present, but h is capital there and this is h is small here. That's why it is resulting in true. 1 in y, yes, true. But if you write a in y, if you want to check in dictionary, if you want to work membership operators on dictionary, then you can only work on these keys, not on values. If you write a in y, that is the value of dictionary at key 1, so it will give you false. So it not work. It will not work. Here I mention is in a dictionary we can only test for the presence of key, not the value. Okay, so key के लिए check हो सकता है, but value के लिए नहीं हो सकता. Next is last not least is bitwise operators. So what are bitwise operators? It acts and an operands as if they were strings of binary digits. The bitwise operators work bit by bit on the input data type. For each value, the 8-bit SKY code will be considered, and on these bits the following operations are performed. Various operations are performed on an like bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise NOT and bitwise XOR. Various operators. So in further sessions we will discuss these data types, these various operations in detail. Okay, so thank you.